please make sure that you, as always, take the notes, pronunciation, vocabulary, as I'm reading this story, because it's very, very interesting story that you can take a lot of vocabulary, that a lot of pronunciation tricks as well. Well, now this is actually about the adventure in the countryside. Okay, adventure in the countryside is about a man that goes through the adventure in the countryside. His name is Tom, and as I read this story along the way, please make sure that you take the notes, make sure that you focus on your pronunciation, rhythm as well. If you're really looking to master a British modern RP pronunciation. Now, the way I pronounce these words is, of course, definitely you can copy my pronunciation, you can copy my rhythm and my intonation as well. So, yeah, I mean, let's get started, shall we? Well, here we go. A week in the country. A week in the country. Well, when Tommy starts feeling ill, his doctor tells him he needs to go and spend some time in the country. Well, now, this is his picture. Tom lived in London. He worked in a large office in the middle of the city. Every day was the same. Early mornings, along trains, right? Too much work and too much noise. After many difficult weeks at work, Tom felt tired all the time. He slept badly and often had headaches. He felt so bad that he went to see his doctor. Tom, his name. Tom, the doctor said, you need a break. Go to the country for a week. Tom laughed. A week, he said. In the country? What can I do there for the whole week? You can walk, sleep, and rest, the doctor replied. But I hate quiet places, Tom answered. The doctor smiled. That's exactly why you should go. Tom did not want to go, but 2 days later, he took a train to a small village far from London. During the journey, he looked out of the window at the fields and small houses. It already looks boring, he thought. The village was very quiet. There were only a few shops, one small pub, and narrow streets. With all his own houses, that evening Tom sat alone in the pub and listened to an old man talking about the weather and the farms. He missed the city immediately. The next morning he woke up late and looked out of the window. Grey clouds covered the sky. Perfect, he said quietly. Cold, wet, and boring. Still, he decided to go for a walk. Because there was nothing else to do, he walked slowly through the hills outside the village. There were sheep in the fields and birds above him. The wind was cold and the paths were empty. At first, Tom hated it. There were no cafes, no traffic, no music, and no people. Only silence. After an hour later, he stopped near a small bridge over the river. The water moved fast after days of rain. Then he saw a black dog standing near the bridge. The dog looked directly at him. Hello, Tom said. The dog barked loudly once and ran away. Tom smiled a little and continued walking. A few minutes later, he heard a voice. Help! Tom stopped immediately. At first, he thought he imagined it. Then he heard it again. Help me! Tom looked around nervously. He could not see anyone. Suddenly, the black dog appears again. It barked loudly and ran down a hill near the river. Tom followed it quickly. Near the water, he found an old man on the ground. The man looked cold and afraid. My leg hurts, the old man said. I fell near the river. I cannot stand up. Tom tried to help him, but it was too hard. My phone does not work, the old man added. Tom checked his own phone. No signal. Rain started to fall. Tom looked at the river. The water was getting higher. I will get help, he said. He ran up the hill in the rain. Soon he was wet and cold, but finally one bar appeared on his phone. Quickly, he called emergency services. Then he ran back down. They are coming, he told the old man. The old man smiled. Tom stayed beside him near the river. While the rain fell harder, the black dog sat quietly next to them. After some time, Tom heard voices. 2 rescue workers arrived. With a car, they helped the old man carefully. One worker smiled at Tom. You did a brave thing today, she said. The old man looked at Tom for a long moment. 20 years ago, he said slowly, my son died near this river. During a storm, today you came back. You came back for a stranger most people would not. Tom did not know what to say. The old man put a hand on the dog's head. Max trusted you, he said quietly. So did I. That evening, Tom sat alone in the village pub. The room was warm, but outside, the rain and wind were still strong. For the first time in many years, Tom stopped thinking about work, emails, meetings, and even trains. Instead, he thought about the man near the river and how he almost died, and how strange it was that one simple walk could change a day or maybe even a life. Now, these are the key vocabulary. Country is a land outside the towns or cities where the whole of something, fields, large open areas of land, boring, not interesting, pub, place where people drink and meet. Narrow, not white, mist, or even mist, whatever you call it, it's actually wants something that is not there. Hills, high areas of land. Path, a small road or way far for walking. Traffic, cars, buses and other vehicles on roads. Bridge, something built over water or roads so people can cross. Barks, barked, or even bark. Make the sound dog makes. Nervously, in worried or afraid way. Hurts, gives a pain. Bar, a line on a phone screen that shows signal strength. Emergency services, people who help in dangerous situations. Rescue workers, people who help save others in danger. A stranger, a person you do not know. Trusted, trusted, or even trusted. Believe someone is good and honest. Well, guys, here you go. That's the story, and I believe that it's incredibly sorry, and there's a lot of vocabulary that you can take away, pronunciation tricks as well, intonations in there. But yeah, let me know, guys, if you have got any questions. in the comment section below. And please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also click the bell for more stories and to help you improve your confidence. See you next time, guys. Take care.